Hello, guys. Hello, friends and sisters and brothers. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed in front of you. And I'm really happy to be here with you, all of you guys. You know what? Today I'm really getting nervous to see such crowds, to such like scores of people are here, and I'm feeling nervous, but I'm trying my best to speak it well. You know, when I just started to speak English, so this is the same stage and this was the same step which I'm feeling right now. Because before it, I didn't speak in front of a lot of people. I just usually speak to in front of camera, but it's my first time to speak to interviewed in front of scores of people. So it's an honor to be here with you guys and with you, all of you. So I can't express my feelings. I'm feeling happy and also I'm feeling cry because I never thought so that one day I will get this opportunity to be interviewed in this position today. So first of all, I really like to thank to my Allah who gave me this opportunity to be here with you in front of you guys. Well, if I do any mistake and if any my words will offend you, just let me know, please. And I apologize for words for that comments because I'm not sure about totally about like English. As you can see that I can just convey my message to the other person. So that's not enough. A lot of people, they are just appreciating me and they are just praising me and they are saying to me that I'm speaking better English and I'm doing something better in my life. But it's an honorable thing in me that I feel proud. I never feel too much proud because pride has a fall. All of you guys, so I I do have a fear of Allah. When I do pride, then I'm a person, I'm a perfect, and I'm a number one. So definitely, who gave me this position and who gave me this success, definitely He will also take this back. So I don't want this. So I just say thank to my Allah who gave me all these things. And most of my viewers and most of the students, they are just asking me that how did I learn English at home whenever I didn't go anywhere for learning grammar, for learning speaking. So I just let them know that there is no even a single person which with I can speak and I can do my practice for speaking English. So really, I'm happy to be alone at home. When I got a time, I just try to learn something important because I realized that it's really important for the future. You know what? I got a lot of obstacles in my life because when I was trying to speak English, my whole cousins, my relatives, they were just pulling my legs and they were saying to me that, what are you doing and you can't speak? And are you going to be a British? Are you going to be a foreign person? No, you can't be and you never be. But today, I just want to say to my relatives, to my cousins, so just see to me where am I right now, and I'm sorry, sir. So just because of that hard work, today I'm here in this position. So if my parents will see this, definitely they will happy to see me in this position today because my parents, they can't understand even Urdu well because our mother language is Punjabi. We are speaking Punjabi at home. We didn't speak Urdu in at home. So if we'll talk about English, so it's a third language for me, but still I learned it by myself. I didn't spend even a single penny for learning this language. So I can't say like it was a tough journey for me. I can't say it. It was a really interesting journey for me, and I learned it in a couple of time. Okay, so and today I'm really happy to see scores of people in front of me. Even I'm thinking that it's not my status, it's not my value to be here in this position, but if Allah will give me these things, and I will say thanks to my Allah who gave me this opportunity. I just want to say something that if a person is a supporter of your life and that person is not allowing you to do something, then how can you do that things? Definitely you can't do same like this. Allah is a leader for us, and he leads us to do a better in our life. If I speak a lot, so just pardon me and just forgive me because I'm a talkative person, and if any of my words have offended you, so I will say apologize and pardon. You know, I'm telling one thing over and over, that it's not in my status to be here in this position where I'm standing right now. So I'm feeling cry to be here. I can't express my feelings. How did I learn? How did I grab this environment? So just because of my parents, they gave me the opportunity to learn these things. You know, most of the parents, they are not allowing their children to do an extraordinary things. No, I'm not saying extraordinary, like they are not supporting in these activities. So if I'll talk about these languages, so I can speak English in 3 accents: British, American and Pakistani as well. But all the time I just really like to speak in British accent because I feel comfortable with this accent, and you know, I never get fumble in this accent. I'm not speaking it well, I know it, but most of the people, they used to say me that my pronunciation is clear and I'm perfect in English, and they can understand me clearly whether they are good in English and whether they are poor in English. Both can understand me because my English is understandable and my pronunciation is also. So it's an honor to be here in front of you. I would like to say thanks to everyone for your possessiveness, and as far as there is life, we will meet again. Okay, thank you.